In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Vantage to MT5. Now, the first thing you have to do here, you want to go to the Accounts tab inside your Vantage dashboard, and then here, of course, you want to create your account. Now, of course, it depends. You can create a live or a demo account. It's going to be a similar process. I'm just going to go with a demo account for now. I'm going to click on Open, switch to Demo, and then here where it says choose a trading platform, you want to make sure you choose MetaTrader 5, okay? So click on MT5, choose your account type, and then you will have to choose the account currency here, the leverage you want to use, and then the account balance as well. After you do that, click on Submit. And then there we go, it says I know, click on that, and then your account is going to get opened in just a few seconds, okay? So usually it takes a few seconds to load up. You could scroll around a bit, come back to the Accounts tab, and there we go, it's now created. Now, what's very important here is that after you create your account, you'll receive your login credentials for the MT5 onto your email, okay? So I just opened up my email on my separate monitor over here, and I can see my MT5 login, which is a long number. It's actually this number over here. You'll be able to see your password as well, and then your server you want to use. Okay, now here you also have this button where you can change the password if you want to. So if you want to change your password of your account, you could do that too. After that, open up your MT5 on your computer here, click on File top left, and click on Open an Account. In here, type in Vantage like this, and then click on Find Your Company, and it should find Vantage. Okay, so as you can see here, there's going to be a bunch of them over here, and usually, of course, you'll be able to know which one you need, but for me, it's the Vantage International. Okay, so it says in my email that the server is Vantage International Demo. So I'm going to click on this one, click on Next, and then on the next page, which usually takes a few seconds to actually load up, there we go, you want to click on Connect with an existing trade account, and under Login, you want to paste in your number inside your email, so it's going to say MT5 Login, and then under Password, of course, you want to paste in the password, and then here, you'll be able to, oh, so this didn't copy, let me actually copy that again. There we go. So inside your server, it's going to require you to actually select the one you need. And for me, it's Vantage International Demo. Whenever you do this and everything is correct, make sure you double check, click on the Finish button. And there we go. It's going to basically connect your Vantage account into MT5. So that's how easy that is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.